Hello my friends, this is my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. If you want this real working hack for 1xBet official website for Aviator Crash game, you see Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet, my official Telegram links. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 5 April 24 years, you see guys. And let's go, I want to show you how work hack. Go to the Google Chrome, go to the 1xBet official website, 1xBet, 1x Games. You see this. And first link, my friends, this official 1xBet website, 1xBet.com all games. Press this. Official 1xBet website, you see guys. Refresh, you see my balance. All this real, official 1xBet website. Go to the crash game. Go to my mobile Android phone. Choose Aviator Predictor application. Choose 1xBet. And look how I win money right now, easy and fast. You see this is old coefficient, 1.16. Now you see next coefficient. 1.48 next coefficient when Aviator crash. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. It's a real work perfect, guys. And I show you how I win money right now, easy and fast. Place a bet, $15. No, I miss this bet, guys, because it's very low coefficient. Very low coefficient, my friends. Okay, I place a bet, $52. Because next coefficient 2.10. And look how I win money. With drafts. Amazing, guys. It's amazing. It's real work perfect. Let's go. Place the next bet. 4.19 next coefficient, guys. $4.19. It's amazing. It's real work perfect. Place the next bet. Next coefficient 3.69. And look how I win money, guys, again. Easy and fast. Amazing, guys. It's amazing. It's real work. I win money. You see that? Place the next bet. No, I miss this bet, guys, because it's very low coefficient. I'm preparing my next bet, but this coefficient is very low. $1.12, very low coefficient again. $2.10. Okay, place a bet. This is my last bet. With draft. It's amazing. All this real and work perfect. This is my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. If you want this real working hack, guys, for your mobile Android phone, for 1xBet official website, for Aviator Crash games. This is my history. This is my balance right now. You see, guys. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 5 April 24 years. Press confirm, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit, guys. My money withdraws. 1xBet.com. Just wait when status change to proof and my money withdraws. Thank you for viewing, my friends. If you want this real working hack, write me in my official Telegram channel. As you see, all this real and work perfect. Just wait when status change to proof. Yes, work perfect.